The Enforcement Directorate has filed a supplementary charge sheet in the liquor policy case. There have been big claims made against the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. The ED has called Kejriwal the kingpin of this entire scam. The ED says that Aam Aadmi Party, in fact, used bribe money in the Goa polls. Now, South Group and Kejriwal both have been named in this particular charge sheet. The ED said that Kejriwal had complete knowledge of the entire scam, and as Aam Aadmi Party coordinator, Kejriwal is fully responsible for this. And Aishwarya joins us to get us more details on this. Aishwarya, the ED, it isn't relenting and calling Kejriwal the kingpin, and more importantly, that he had complete knowledge of the entire scam.
Well, that's right. In total, 38 people had been named accused, including the Aam Aadmi Party as well. And it was mentioned in the charge sheet that Arvind Kejriwal is the kingpin and the main conspirator of the case, being the national convener of a national political party and who had gained benefits out of the Hawala transactions and the money trail that had been that has come out in open. It has been stated that almost 25 crore rupees were sent through Hawala channels to Goa, and Aam Aadmi Party used it in their political campaigning during the elections. Arvind Kejriwal was the helm of the affairs, and it has been also mentioned in the charge sheet that Mr. Chauhan, who represents the Aam Aadmi Party in Goa, he was the one who was directly in connection with Arvind Kejriwal. There had been WhatsApp chats which were also presented as the documented evidence to the court, and the Hawala operators' statements had now also been presented. Now, what's the difference between the 6th supplementary charge sheet that was earlier filed by the Enforcement Directorate and the 7th supplementary charge sheet by the Enforcement Directorate is the name of Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party coming in as an accused by the Enforcement Directorate. Certainly, it is the very first time, and it was Arvind Kejriwal's counsels every time had stated that till now Arvind Kejriwal has not been named as an accused. There was no evidence that had been gathered by the Enforcement Directorate since the time Arvind Kejriwal had been arrested. But now, of course, there has been direct connections according to our Enforcement Directorate that has come out, and they had stated that he knew each and every detail, each and every process of how the excise policy was tweaked, where the meetings were called. He also mentioned about Vijay Nair. It was stated by the Enforcement Directorate in one of the meetings, and also in one of the calls that he did with the South Group. Arvind Kejriwal stated that Vijay Nair is his boy and he can be fully trusted upon the transactional details. The entire documents had now been submitted to the court, and now court had taken the cognizance of this charge sheet. Of course, if Arvind Kejriwal, Aam Aadmi Party and other 36 are proved guilty, then certainly charges would be framed against them, and there would be more trouble that could mount to the Delhi Chief Minister.